Hello, and welcome to Smart Tech, where we showcase the latest advancements in modern agricultural machinery. Forget boring days in the field with the Markrest 210 baler. This machine will turn hay collection into real fun. Imagine the 210 speeding across your field, collecting and pressing bales so quickly and efficiently, you won't even have time to drink your morning coffee. With impressive power and reliable construction, each bale will be neatly packed and ready for transport. With the Markrest 210, you won't have to worry about losing hay or uneven pressing. It handles the task 110%. Believe me, your farm has never seen such efficiency. With tandem laser buckets from Collier & Miller, your field will look like a parquet floor after a thorough cleaning. These mighty buckets level any unevenness with laser precision, turning your plot into an ideal growing platform. If you're tired of fighting with bumps and holes, this equipment will definitely become your best friend. With them, literally every minute of work brings pleasure, and the result impresses with its accuracy and quality. Are you ready for landscape perfectionism? If so, the buckets are waiting for their turn. When it comes to threshing grass seed, Lun and Handelsbedrijf knows no equal. Imagine the power of a John Deere 2266 Extra Combine that gets the job done with ease. With a Jade 820 cutter bar that's nearly 27 feet wide, this green monster handles even the largest fields with no problem. Its 255 horsepower engine and capacity of up to 20 tons per hour make it a true giant among combines. Every time it passes through a field, you can hear the seeds falling into the hopper like a harvest melody. Imagine a monster in the field, the Nexat Widespan Trägerfahrzeug. This powerful machine, with a working width of up to 120 feet, transforms the concept of farming. Its versatile platform makes it easy to change work modules for different tasks, from seeding to harvesting. Its 1500 horsepower engine and speeds of up to 6 miles per hour make it indispensable on large plots. Imagine how quickly and efficiently it gets the job done, saving you time and resources. Have you ever dreamed of making chamomile picking easy and fun? Meet the Proxima Herbs Chamomile Picking Machine. It's like a magic wand in the world of gardening. Imagine a powerful motor, precise knives, and high-speed pickers working in harmony to turn a labor-intensive process into a pleasure. Each daisy flower is neatly picked as if it were done by the most careful gardener. No damage, just perfect flowers ready for drying and use. When the DiPietri Hoover RS48 gets to work, arugula gets the VIP treatment. This trimmer features a powerful 15 horsepower engine and a unique vacuum collection system that keeps your beds clean and organized. With its precision and processing speed of up to 3 miles per hour, plants will look as if they were tilled by a professional gardener. Each pass leaves perfectly manicured rows ready to be admired. Have you ever wondered how to turn lawn care into a real art form? The JCB Fast Track 4220 with 16-meter V-Mo 23 gang mowers at Teal Turf Fields will show you how. With a 235 horsepower engine and speeds up to 37 miles per hour, this tractor turns even the largest fields into perfectly smooth green carpets. With a 52-foot reach, the V-Mo mower tackles any area in a single pass. It's time to enjoy the results when your lawn looks like a picture, and you've saved tons of time and effort. The Optimum Automatic Harvester from Pellenc is a giant designed for gentle, high-speed harvesting. With Arbo process perfected, it features suspension, soft gripping, and continuous feeding, like giving a fruit tree a massage instead of a shake. Now you can experience productivity on a new level. With the Kemper 300 Pro Series, equipped with the most demanding tasks in the field, everything happens easily and simply. Thanks to the optimized cutting system, which allows precise and careful separation of the plant from the root. The Kemper 300 Pro Series guarantees maximum preservation of your crop quality. The model is equipped with an advanced engine that provides the necessary power and efficiency with minimal fuel consumption. But most importantly, the machine includes easy adjustment and control functions, making the harvesting season less stressful and more productive. The Horsch Pronto 7 DC is a universal sowing machine that is ideally suited for different crop types, sowing conditions, and different tillage techniques. In addition to classic crops such as wheat, rape, and barley, the machine can also be used to sow intercrops or grasses, and with the optimized pneumatics, even uncultivated spelt can be sown. Thanks to the new frame design, the Pronto 7 DC is slightly lighter than previous generation models and can be coupled with the same tractor. The low traction of the machine helps to reduce soil compaction. With its excellent working width, the drill is quick and productive in sowing. Compared to the Pronto 6 DC, the new model works a 118-foot wide strip in only 5 passes, while its predecessor worked in 6 more passes. This saves up to 20% in fuel, time, and reduces the impact of compaction on the soil. The machine's full power is revealed when the 8-body semi-mounted plow begins loosening the compacted soil, bringing fresh, aerated layers to the surface. The spacing between bodies and optimal attack angle allow for clog-free operation, even on wet virgin land. This 800 horsepower tracked monster moves at 5.5 miles per hour through ripe wheat without slowing. Forget the steering wheel. A joystick controls it like a fighter jet. The rotor threshing system gently extracts grain at maximum efficiency. And the wide header cuts a swath as wide as 2 buses. The Keeler Classic is a full-blown tractor-powered potato opera with dual vibrating tables, sorting belts, and ruthless precision. Not a single tuber missed, not a speck of dirt in the bin. The Oxbow 2228 is power times 2, dual-purpose equipment for hay and grain, built on 20 years of Oxbow expertise. A sturdy frame and reliable components make it perfect for tough conditions, ideal for those who won't compromise on feed harvesting. The Savannah 516 model isn't just a plow, it's an earth-ripping storm. One pass flips entire layers of soil like a giant blade tearing through the ground. Sheer power, and that first cut sends shivers down a farmer's spine. The boom-mounted system detects weeds at speeds up to 12 miles per hour and instantly applies herbicides spot on, avoiding healthy crops. This saves up to 70% of chemicals, delivers 98% efficiency, and reduces the impact on soil and water. When the Masano RSC bites into the soil, it doesn't just loosen, it clears the earth for new life. With a 98-inch wide tiller, dual-shaft system, and deep incorporation capability, the machine turns clods and residue into a uniform carpet ready for perfect seeding. The new Ortomec 8000 Green Line glides across fields, precisely slicing lettuce and gently laying it on the conveyor. Like a surgeon with a florist's touch. Sharp blades, smooth motion, automation right to the leaf tips. The HSMOB, paired with the Menzie muck, works in the forest like a precision surgeon with a chainsaw. The heavy-duty Seppi mulcher cuts trees and shrubs right at the root, shredding them into chips in seconds. Thanks to its hydraulic drive and excavator-compatible setup, the unit performs confidently in hard-to-reach areas, leaving the terrain perfectly cleared. This machine harvests cabbage, places it in crates, and arranges them right on the field beds. Thanks to its automatic stacking system and modular build, the harvester transforms the chaos of collection into an organized system for storing fresh produce. When apple trees are more loaded than your thoughts at the end of harvest season, TA50 rolls in. This low-platform genius gently picks fruit, sorts it on the go, and stacks it into crates, perfect for cider making, where every apple counts. FSI isn't a spy agency. It's a tree shaker that does in 5 seconds what used to take a whole day. It grabs an apple, hazelnut, or pecan tree and shakes it until all the ripe fruit falls. Clean, powerful, and no nonsense. The Italian Baulatrice duo creates beds that will make any gardener jealous. One module forms perfect ridges, the other immediately lays mulch film. Fast, neat, tightly stretched. Not a single weed has a chance to sprout. Holtz's Nut Wizard isn't just an attachment. It's wheel-mounted magic. It fits on a lawnmower and picks up nuts, acorns, and cones like a vacuum. Lightweight, maneuverable, gentle on grass, and easy on your back. Harvesting becomes a walk in the park. Kubota on drainage duty is like a surgeon in the soil. It moves slowly, steadily, and with no wasted motion. Its powerful blade precisely opens the ground, carving clean drainage channels, crucial for laying foundations or prepping fields for planting. The Select model isn't a tractor with a harrow. It's a near jeweler's tool for weeding within rows. Perfect for delicate crops and for those who want to clean smart, not just thoroughly. Want to scorch weeds without a drop of chemicals? The Envodan E-Therm does it in style, with a direct stream of air heated to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. It moves through rows like fire over dry grass. Fast, precise, effective. Perfect for potato fields where protecting the crop is key. Imagine equipment that will transform your approach to agricultural work. The Krone Squadro 1570 to 2000 combines innovative solutions and time-tested technologies. With the ability to change the working width from 51.5 to 65.6 feet, these rake tethers can adapt to any task. The compact design makes transportation and storage easier, and the high working speed allows for faster processing of large areas. The minimal soil contact technology preserves soil structure and prevents compaction, promoting better plant growth for the next year. When lettuce needs to be harvested quickly and with technology, the Automec 8300 lettuce harvester comes to the rescue. This harvesting combine is a real find for farmers who value efficiency and quality. With its precise cutting system, the Automec 8300 can process up to 5 rows of lettuce in one pass, significantly speeding up the harvesting process. Adaptive knives automatically adjust to the plant height, ensuring a neat and even cut. The powerful engine and easy operation make the combine an indispensable assistant in the field, simplifying the farmer's work and reducing harvesting time. There's no need to sacrifice quality for speed if you have the Automec 8300. This combine is specially designed for precise and gentle leaf crop harvesting, equipped with a system that allows processing of up to 6 rows in one pass. With the ability to adjust the cutting height, it ensures careful handling of each plant, maintaining their integrity and quality. The powerful engine of the harvesting combine provides reliability in operation, and its design makes maintenance simple and economical. This combine will become a valuable asset to your farm, helping to achieve maximum results with minimal effort. Think of the Kuhn OptiWrap models OWR 6000 and OWS 6500 as professional wrappers in the farming world. These bale wrapping machines work not only quickly, but also extremely neatly. Forget how you ever stored hay before. Now, every bale will be wrapped with jeweler's precision, protecting your harvest from the weather and time. Just place the bale on the conveyor and let the machine work its magic. Thanks to thoughtful technology, you can relax knowing your hay is in good hands. Meet the Damcon HWD 3055 cultivator, your new garden ninja. This guy doesn't just fight weeds, he does it stylishly with his horizontal hose that carefully cut weeds at the root, leaving them no chance to resurrect. But the real trick is how it distributes the soil. A thin layer like a barista sprinkling cocoa on your cappuccino. And if you add a finger or torsion weeding, your soil will be treated so well that even weeds will start to think twice before appearing. Ready to see the future of soil prep? The Cultus from Vaderstadt, paired with Nexat, slices through the earth with unstoppable force. Reinforced tines, working depth of up to 12 inches, and a 16-foot cutting width. An agricultural revolution on wheels. When a mower is needed that can handle any task, the Twiga T80 from the Spearhead Contractor Profile is your reliable ally. This powerful machine is ready to work in fields and along roads, turning thickets into perfectly trimmed areas. With an arm reach of up to 26 feet, the mighty Twiga T80 reaches the most inaccessible places, like a real acrobat in the arena. Regardless of conditions, this mower demonstrates precision and power that impress. It's time to turn your fields and roadsides into a model of order and neatness. Trust this task to the Twiga T80. Your berry plantation has never seen a pro like the Oscar 4WD Hescap. This self-propelled berry harvester is a true jackpot for any farmer. It doesn't just collect berries, it does so with such dexterity and speed that it seems like a wizard is at work. With its full drive and smart navigation, no difficult sections will be an obstacle. The Oscar 4WD Hescap carefully collects each berry without damaging it, leaving you with a rich and quality harvest. If weeds could be scared, they would tremble at the sight of the Gruner Stilt Cultivator. This unique weeding tool doesn't just work, it puts on a real show in your garden. It strides through your beds like a stylish stilt walker, destroying weeds with one swift move. Imagine yourself relaxing with lemonade while your new helper does all the hard work. Thunder rumbles, weeds disappear, and only well-maintained soil remains. With such a cultivator, weeds will be as easy as a walk in the park. When your field needs to be cleaned up, the Schulte Spartan RWP 1935 rock picker is your best friend. With a 19-foot working width and the ability to pick up rocks weighing up to 2,000 pounds, it's like a powerful magnet that attracts all unwanted objects. The hydraulic system ensures smooth and efficient operation, and the sturdy tines ensure that no stone goes unnoticed. Imagine how quickly and easily you can clear a field and prepare it for the next job. First, the Valentini NA Navajo 1800 cultivator with a 6-foot wide 39-tooth cutter chops all the plants with the first pass, and the second pass handles the remaining pieces. Then comes the Valentini FI Ivan 1000 cutter bar with a 3.5-foot width and 90 tines, which works 12 to 14 inches deep, shredding the roots. These machines are working at a limit. The T7's operating speed is only 0.6 miles per hour because the cutter is spinning at 245 RPM. Are you ready to see how powerful machinery handles a tough job? The splendor of harvesting cane with the whole stalk cane harvester will not leave you indifferent. This powerful unit with an 8-foot reach handles cane at speeds of up to 3 acres per hour. Each pass is perfectly cut and clean stalks thanks to its advanced cutting and cleaning system. The cane is stacked in even rows, making it easy for further processing. The efficiency and productivity of this machine is amazing, making cane harvesting as easy and fast as possible. Want to see your crop harvested with incredible precision? This harvester will help you. Just imagine a ridging machine and a plastic paver in one super combo. Kenco's 2-row super combo is a real find for farmers. With a working width of up to 72 inches and up to 6 miles per hour, it makes the job of laying beds and plastic in half the time. In Henshaw and Keepling Fields in Florida, this monster handles tasks with ease and grace. Imagine how your labor in the field becomes a pleasure thanks to this powerful helper. You know, as people say, sometimes it's better to see once than to hear 10 times. And so, here it is. The planting process is so fascinating and very unusual that my advice to you is to watch carefully without taking your eyes off the screen. Have you ever wondered how dandelions are harvested? As it turns out, it's an art form. Imagine a method where every movement is perfected and a special device does all the work for you. This device, like a magic wand, carefully collects all the white cap and packs it into a separate bag. How do you like this approach? What could be better for your plants and vegetable garden than this creative watering system? With this system, your plants will always be in perfect shape, getting the right amount of water. Forget about drought and underwatering. Now your beds will be full of moisture and your crops will be healthy and plentiful. Watch the Scorpion S1100 uproot stumps with ease. This beast of a stump gripper works like a true professional, pulling out even the most stubborn roots. Powerful hydraulics and rugged construction make it an indispensable helper in the garden and on the construction sites as well. With the Scorpion S1100, you'll forget about hard manual labor and can quickly prepare the site for new projects. Just watch it work and enjoy a clean, ready-to-plant or build site. Meet your friends, the new tree transplanter from K&K Enterprises. This wizard works with your compact and subcompact tractors with ease, turning tree transplanting into child's play. But that's not all. It's compatible with mini loaders, Go behind the scenes with the Fifes Anexco Pineapple Farm in Costa Rica and see a true symphony of technology in action. Watering, fertilizing, soil preparation, and harvesting are all done by specialized machines, each one as a conductor of its own process. Want to know how perfect pineapples are created? Fifes Anexco will show you all the secrets. Whether you're working with silage or hay, on flat or hilly terrain, Pottinger Hit Tedders from Pottinger deliver perfect results everywhere. The innovative Dynatech rotor technology ensures the cleanest possible spreading and maximum forage protection. The working widths of the 4 Hit HT models 28.2, 34.75, 41.65, and 55.77 feet guarantee maximum impact force. Despite the large working width, the power required for tedding is still low. Thanks to the trail design, the tractor does not need any lifting power. With the Hit HT tedders, small tractors can work large areas of land. A number of companies are developing autonomous feed mixer models, and among them is Strautmann, which has introduced its all-electric 3-wheeled in-house designed 41 cubic foot 3-wheeled feed mixer. The eVerti Feed 1251 is a new self-propelled 400-volt battery-powered 40 kilowatt per hour self-propelled feed mixer with 2 electric motors to drive the mixer and hydraulic units. The market launch of the new Strautmann eVertiFeed 1251 electric feed mixer is scheduled for the middle of the current year, 2024. The new John Deere 8000 series of self-propelled forage harvesters are designed for an important purpose: to ensure you can produce even higher quality silage more efficiently. The benefits include the new ProStream crop feeding system and redesigned chopping drum, which work together to maximize throughput. You'll also be pleased with a functional, comfortable cab with panoramic view, plenty of space, and intuitive controls and displays. Think intelligent forage management. The Harvest Lab 3000 system measures and documents both dry weight and component content in real time for accurate silage quality analysis. The Rollabar 230 extends raking widths up to 30 feet, providing tremendous capacity to reduce the number of passes needed to get the job done, thereby increasing overall efficiency and productivity. It's ideal for raking swaths produced by self-propelled mowers with heads up to 19 feet wide and center pivot mocos. The Rollabar 230 is easy to adapt to the field and crop conditions. You can change the height and tilt of the basket with a simple turnbuckle adjustment, and the intuitive control box allows you to make changes on the go without getting out of the tractor seat. Plus, using the red and blue buttons on the control box, the Rollabar 230 folds to a width of 10 feet 8 inches for easy maneuverability and confident transportation to your next location. The three-wheel reaper binder harvests wheat, rice, oats, barley, etc., and automatically binds the bundles in one operation. The use of BCS Reaper Binder ensures almost 100% straw harvesting and complete grain recovery with minimal shattering losses. This not only saves time, but also proves to be very economical and profitable due to lower operating costs compared to manual harvesting. Harvesting, reaping and tying is done at the rate of 1 acre per hour and diesel consumption of 1 liter. This is a seedling transplanting machine with a rotor system with clamps, which is designed for transplanting bare root grape shoots, cuttings, both for flat and sloping land. I'd also like to point out right away that the TH100 from Spaperi is an incredibly versatile, flexible, and highly productive machine. This machine is essential for precision transplanting, which requires cross-checking the straight and diagonal lines of the planting pattern for the control units for connecting the machines to GPS, RTK, and automatic tractor steering systems. Joanna 5 Premium is the newest model in the series of combines in the same name, which is designed especially for those customers who need a specific machine for processing tall bushes. This machine excels in a variety of berry plantations with row spacing of 11.5 feet or more. The Joanna 5 Premium model is especially designed for harvesting chokeberries, rose hips, and other crops that can be even up to 10 feet tall. Thanks to the longer cross conveyor as well as the longer shaker, this combine is characterized by increased productivity, and at the same time, it does not damage the bushes themselves. Thanks to the modern hydraulic system, this combine can be equipped with rear swivel wheels and a side leveler. Super Champ SL is durable, reliable in operation, and extremely robust. This means up to 30,000 operating hours with low maintenance costs. Thanks to the powerful and reliable Mercedes-Benz engine, the machine is the ideal high-performance partner for large companies, contractors, and many company groups. Thanks to the powerful 6-cylinder MTU engine of the latest generation with an output of 210 kilowatts, the Super Champ SL operates at maximum productivity, at a significantly reduced operating speed. All shredding and mixing processes take place at 1400 RPM, and even travel at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour is within this low-speed range. The result? Uncompromising performance on demand, smooth running, economical, material, and environmental protection. Double Master 2 is a true dance of threshers and fans, with each phase tuned to absurd precision. A 3-stage cleaning system, soft drum, and on-the-fly adjustments ensure dry beans enter the tank whole, clean, and without losses. The Adro Dominator isn't just a log splitter, it's a true hydraulic beast. New, powerful and with enough force to crack even the gnarliest logs. No axes, no sweat. Just press the button and the log splits cleanly in two. The thought of harvesting coffee beans is boring? Not with the Jade K3500. This technological marvel turns each harvesting session into a virtuoso performance. With exceptional precision and power, the K3500 expertly covers each bush, ensuring no bean is harmed. Its efficiency will surprise even the most experienced farmers, and the speed of work allows processing large areas in less time. Get ready for a revolution in your coffee business, because the Jade K3500 knows how to breathe new life into each harvested crop. Imagine the 12-row row crop bedder from Collier & Miller. It's like a conductor in the field setting up a symphony of perfect rows. This unit, equipped with a press wheel, turns each of your steps into a masterpiece. Furrows are lined up so neatly you might think that they were arranged by perfectionists with rulers. With such a helper, your harvest will feel like it's in a spa, and you'll save a lot of time and effort. Trust the row crop and let your farm become a model of precision and style. Meet the Olimac Drago GT, a combine that will take on all the burdens of harvesting and straw collection. With the Drago GT, your field will look like a perfectly licked plate after a festive meal, not a crumb or straw. With this versatile assistant, you can definitely become a multitasking master in the fields. And forget about additional passes for straw collection. The Drago GT does everything in one go. Is this what time and resource savings look like? Absolutely. CO exceeds AgBot 5.115T2 masters inter-row weeding. With a 4-foot working width and surgeon-like precision, this smart robot farmer removes weeds between rows. With a powerful electric motor and advanced sensors, the AgBot treats up to 10 acres per hour, leaving your plants intact and healthy. A working width of up to 2 inches and a precise navigation system make it ideal for any crop. Who said peeling walnuts is hard work? The Cadola 280ED and Cadola 180ED make it easy and fun. These machines are like nut chefs. The 280ED, with a 3-foot working width and powerful engine, handles the nuts like a hot knife through butter, while the 180ED finishes the job by peeling the leftovers with incredible precision. Together, they tackle any crop without leaving a single nut in the peel. Are you ready to see how easy and fast your crop can be processed? Meet the Holmer Terrados T430. When it comes to harvesting, this machine is a real professional. With a 465 kilowatt or 626 horsepower engine and a bunker capacity of 3,500 liters, that's 925 gallons, it ensures that your work will be done quickly and efficiently. Every aspect of this machine is designed for maximum convenience, from the full front suspension providing exceptional ground traction to the intuitive Terra Control 2 system that makes control easier than ever. Less time in the field, more time planning your next big harvest. The curtain rises, and here it is, the Asa Lift machine, promising to turn beet and carrot harvesting into a real show. Imagine it's not just harvesting equipment, but a magical device that paints gray weekdays into the orange-red shades of the harvest. With every maneuver in the field, the Asa Lift whispers to the carrots and beets, "Time to leave the ground." And they follow it like stars on the red carpet. Forget heavy labor. Now every harvest is a festival of color and taste, where you're the main guest. Meet the Retriever from Tubeline, a true master of hay loading that will make your farm life easier and more enjoyable. This is not just any loader, it's your personal assistant in the world of agricultural technology. Thanks to the Retriever, every hay bale will now be collected and stacked with incredible precision and speed. Forget back pain and wasted time. Your new mechanized friend will handle any volume of work, giving you more time for what really matters. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.